Hi everyone, this is the last in this series of tutorials about CoSpaces and how to make your Newton's laws model experiment. And in this one, we're just going to look at how to add sound and how to make the sound work once you play the simulation. So in this case, sound is uploaded or recorded into CoSpaces. So you go on the bottom left menu here, click on Upload, and then you can see there's an option to add images, 3D models, videos, other files, and the last one at the bottom is sound. We're just going to click on the sound option. And again, here you've got two options. If you have recorded sound that you want to include, you can click on upload. Or if you want to just record your own sound to describe Newton's laws, you can click on record. So in this example, we're just going to record a small audio file. You click on the record, and then you get this option here where you can start recording. It will give you a timer. You're not allowed to edit the sound here, so you've got to be careful what you say, but you can re-record if you need to. So let's click record. Hi everyone, welcome to this simulation of an experiment demonstrating Newton's laws. What you will see in this experiment is a kicker who kicks a ball which has unbalanced forces applied to it, and the effect that the unbalanced force will have on the ball. It also demonstrates how the ball interacting or colliding with other objects might have an impact on its movement. The lesson we learn from this is increased force is equal an increase in acceleration, providing the mass is kept the same, and an increase in mass can cause a decrease in acceleration. I hope you enjoy playing around with this model. Thank you. So now that we've got a sound file, we can call it an introduction or a description. And save that. You can actually record it again if you're not happy, but let's click save for now, and you'll see that sound file appear in your library at the bottom here so that it can be used during the animation. Now this sound isn't automatically played. It's not automatically played unless you add it as part of one or two things. So the first thing I want to show you is how to add it as code. So let's have a look at that. So if we go into code here, and again, it might be useful to just decrease the size of this panel and add a new script. Let's rename the script, otherwise we'll end up with a chain of code block scripts, not knowing what they do. Call it sound script or sound. And then when the player starts the animation or simulation, so when the play button is clicked, we just want to have the sound playing. So if we go into actions, we should have an option for playing sounds. There we go. So I have play all sounds, and then we have stop all sounds, and then we can have one as set as play sound, and it will be able to select the sound that you just recorded. Wait until it's finished, true, and then stop sounds. And actually that in effect will do the same thing, but we want to make sure that there are not sounds on, or we want to specifically stop a sound, we can do stop description. So that will be a nice way to introduce the model when people are watching it, and that's adding to your explanation and your understanding of Newton's laws. I hope you've enjoyed these tutorials, and I hope you have fun making your models. Thank you.